My Crypto Radio News.
A South Korean lawmaker who allegedly engaged in questionable cryptocurrency transactions during the creation of a law on digital assets announced that he was resigning from his party. Kim Nam-kung said in a statement that his resignation has revealed his party of a certain burden and that his party will no longer be affected by this case. The deputy also added that the accusations made are by no means true. It is stated that Kim Nam-kung, one of the lawmakers who has the power to enforce the laws enacted in the country regarding cryptocurrencies, has a large share in the postponement of the 20% tax law. It is also worth noting that the deputy made his transactions in March 2022, just before the travel rule came into effect. American investor and hedge fund manager Paul Tudor Jones, who predicted the Black Monday collapse in 1987 and made a fortune with his previous transactions, stated that the Fed has come to end in its interest rate hikes but has not yet announced it. "I think the rate hikes are over now," Jones said in a statement. "They have a very difficult job and I'm glad I didn't do it. As I said, interest rate hikes are over, but they can't say it. CPI has been falling all the time for the last 12 months. This has never happened before. Does this mean that interest rates will fall immediately? No, we are now at levels where many times in history the economy has slowed down and a recession has occurred. Right now, we are like in the pre-major financial crisis period," he said. Stating that he does not expect very sharp rises, Jones said, "We are in the range or giant multi-year trading period. Over the next 5 or 10 years, we will have a market with more ups and downs than ever before. However, I do not expect the rises to be very strong. I will go up in pain," he said. Recently, a new report has been published on North Korea, which the United States has accused of hacking attacks. Elliptic, the analytic firm on crypto regulation, stated that North Korean hackers have stolen $721 million worth of cryptocurrencies from Japan alone since 2017. Elliptic, which tracks the cryptocurrencies coming to the wallets belonging to Lazarus hackers, which are stated to be affiliated with North Korea, stated that from 2017 to the end of 2022, hackers affiliated with North Korea have stolen a total of $2.3 billion worth of crypto. This figure has actually been published in many reports before, but for the first time, Elliptic has separated where the stolen cryptocurrencies come from with its report. According to the report, $721 million of this figure came from Japan, $540 million from Vietnam, $497 million from the USA, and $281 million from Hong Kong. The report also stated that behind North Korean hackers' preferences for Japan and Vietnam, the companies and platforms in these two countries give relatively less importance to security. A new statement has come about the steps towards cryptocurrencies, where many U.S. government institutions, especially the SEC, have tightened their inspections. The U.S. Department of Justice officials stated that examination of the stock markets was accelerated and used harsh statements. Young Choi, director of the National Cryptocurrency Enforcement Team, a unit of the ministry, said in a statement, "They allow criminals to cash out the money they have made through their crimes. This is clearly a big problem for us. By focusing on such platforms, we think we will have an impact on other exchanges and companies," he said. "I can't name, but in operations, the size of the company will not matter to us," said a team director who did not name the company regarding possible operations. Prepared by My Crypto Radio News Center, we have transferred the news. Happy day, everyone.